OnePlus CEO Pete Lau has come out with a detailed explanation surrounding the use of in-display fingerprint technology on its upcoming smartphone, the OnePlus 6T. It uses an optical fingerprint module which includes a small lens that registers fingerprint when pressed down on the cover glass. After you experience the screen unlock, you'll fall in love with it, Lau said. A tremendous amount of time and effort has gone into pioneering an in-display fingerprint sensor powerful enough to forever change the way you interact with your phone, Lau said in a blog post detailing the new feature. The screen is used as a light source to enhance the outline of your fingerprint, enabling the sensor to accurately read its exact dimensions and shape. OnePlus 6T, which can be seen with a glossy and matte black rear panel. The image reaffirms the rumors of the OnePlus 6T featuring a notch shaped like a water drop, and the overall bezels also seem to be thinner when compared with its predecessor. The volume rockers can be seen on the device's left edge, while the right edge houses the power button, along with the alert slider. We already know that the device won't be shipped with the 3.5mm headphone jack, and it is also missing in the images. Qualcomm's Trust Zone found on the Snapdragon 845 SoC is used to store the fingerprint information, and ascertain authenticity every time screen unlock is used. Specifications: OnePlus 6 tons has 6.4-inch Optic-AMOLED Full HD and display and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC, coupled with 6GB and 8GB RAM options and up to 256GB of onboard storage. The smartphone is also reported to have a 3,700 mAh battery that will be larger in capacity over the 3,300 mAh battery available on the OnePlus 6. Moreover, the OnePlus 6T is expected to run Android 9.0 Pie out of the box.